April 10th workout. We're going to see every plane of motion. So I want to explain to you why we do it, maybe how it affects you in real life, and why, exercise like this might seem silly, because why don't we just do a regular thruster? I'm going to give you the why. So, like the video, I appreciate it. Let's talk about it. So, first one up is going to be this thruster with the rotation. Why do we add the rotation? So, one reason, so you can be a little more of an athlete. Like, there are very few things you probably do outside where you're just going straight up and straight down. I mean, you pick whatever the thing is outside in the real world that you have to do. But when you do it, I guarantee you're not just like stepping up to your purse and just bending over and picking up. You're probably turning to the side because it's at your side. It's not right in front of you. Or name that with anything. Picking up a kid, picking something up off the ground, putting something up onto a shelf. Like, you're usually probably turning to do some of that stuff, no matter how heavy or light it is. So big things with the movement, though. That same side that's holding the dumbbell, that's the same leg that's going to pivot. That's the only side that's pivoting. The other side stays tight, so you have something locked in, and the other side is the one that's going to be active. You're going to try to get as much power off of it as you can. It's going to help you push that weight up over your head way faster, way harder. Again, reason for that rotation, a little bit more applicable to everyday life when you're reaching for stuff, when you're pushing off of whatever. That's why we're doing it. That's what you're practicing. Now, you're also trying to be explosive and be more of an athlete. Anytime you're throwing a ball, anytime you're trying to reach and grab something, you're turning a little bit. So on this one, this isn't the exact movement. We're going to be doing a lateral lunge into a knee raise. So it's going to be this, but a little more explosive. You'll step your foot in with you. Now, reason for this, I'm going to apply this to getting injured. When's the last time you fell and you actually just fell flat on your feet? Probably hasn't happened in a while. Usually it looks something more like this, where one foot's shooting straight out, the other foot like lands, and you're in that lateral lunge position or some sort of like sumo position. So if you're not training these muscles and you're not trying to get a good range of motion, what happens when you do actually fall and you have to catch all of your body weight all at once? You tear a groin, you pull a knee, something to your ankle, but all that stuff happens. So if you're trying to take these seriously, you're trying to get your range of motion in there, hopefully this prevents any type of bad accident from happening, or just like you just catch yourself a little bit easier. Maybe it just gives you a little bit better chance, and maybe it reduces some pain in those positions in just everyday life. Last but not least, again, this isn't exactly it, but swings. You're going to have a single arm swing. You'll have it between the legs, but it's going to help teach you to keep that midsection tight. Again, I'll just go back to picking something off the ground, and you're trying to keep your midsection, your shoulders locked in, so you're not rotating, you're not pulling something out of place. But anyways, all these movements will be there. They train you to be stronger, just not in the gym, but